We have to make sure that our production still running and in the same time we're doing the transformation.
Our customers worry because, hey, you're going to do transformations. Are you going to affect my quality? Are you going to affect my delivery? These are the things that come to their mind.
The most challenging is the people.
How do we handle their resistance? How do you handle their worry? Are you going to replace my job? We get all our people at different levels to come in. Our cleaner to CEO. Every single individual went through similar training.
It was lucky that I have Joseph came on board to design a lot of training material.
So all this play a part to help us overcome all these challenges.
Your people need to transform. They call it Worker 4.0.